I fucking got him, dude.
Come here. Explain it to me. Explain it to me in detail. Why you're using cheats. Go on, come and tell me.
Come and tell me. I'm not cheating, bro.
Yeah, go on then. Just explain why you're using cheats.
I couldn't tell you.
I mean,
Exactly.
I could tell you.
You don't even know why you're doing it, bro.
I'm not doing it, so how would I have an explanation?
Is it? Do you get like a thrill out of it or something? I don't know. I don't understand it because it's like.
Why do British people always think people cheat?
Wait, can you execute this guy?
Because can see kill cam. Tell when cheaters are there, they cross the map, aren't they?
Fuck.